Hi guys, welcome to vrm24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim, and today we will show you one of the ways how to open the smartphone's display module. Please note, this video will not be guided for the smartphones with IPS and TFT displays. So, let's get started.
In our video we will use a smartphone Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus 2018. We will heat it on a heating mat. We will use isopropyl alcohol for separation. I want to note that it is strictly forbidden to use isopropyl alcohol in models with IPS and TFT displays, otherwise the display may be damaged. And several thin plastic sheets. We use plastic sheets or films for new displays for separation. Also, Phillips crosshead 1.5mm or #3/0 screwdriver to unscrew one screw securing the display's connector, and any non-metal or plastic tool to disconnect the connector. On this model, the display module is glued to the frame, so this video will generally fit most models with an AMOLED display type. But there is always should be but. Look at the location of cables and connectors. Find out where the display module is glued. By the way, why is the module? I guess because it is an assembly of the front glass, touchscreen and display. To understand the cable's location, open our website. Look at which step is above the display module and see where are the cable and connector. So it may be then your model is not represented in our website. Choose another website or watch the video on any video platform. So now we see the location of the cable, connector and approximately understand where the display is glued. Let's start work. We need to put a tool between the module and the plastic frame. In our case, we use a plastic film. To do this, we should heat the display surface to soften the adhesive base. Therefore, we heat the display surface up to 70 Celsius degree or 158 degree Fahrenheit and try to push the plastic sheet through. As always, our weak point is the corners. It is safer to choose a far corner from the cable location. We can heat the surface of the display, and we will, many times, to soften adhesive. We heat it up and try to push the tool in, heat it up, try to hook, and so on. Why so? Because the display are fragile, sometimes pretty fragile, so you need to work carefully so as not to damage anything. Also, we will not to heat too much, so as not to melt the frame to which the display is glued. If the adhesive base still firmly holds the display module, return the smartphone to the heating surface or warm it up with a heating gun for a couple more minutes and continue to try to push through.
Be careful, you are primarily responsible for repair. If somewhere something doesn't move, there is no need to try to act by force. It's better to look for information on this topic, watch videos, read on forums or thematic websites.
So here's the sequence of work we have. We heat the surface of the display, we try to push the plastic in. We heat, we try, we heat, we try, we heat, we try, we finally pick it up and begin to pass along the edge with a plastic tool. While we are not trying to work at cable's location and move through the plastic film along the free edges, carefully spray isopropyl alcohol, which penetrates into the gap and dries the adhesive base. At some point you can use such a technique, which I would call a two-man saw, but only in the place where there is no cable. Otherwise, we can break the cable. If you have no experience, it's better not to do this, but carefully move the film along the edges. And when we passed all sides except the bottom, we move to the lower part in a place where the cable is wider and is located as close as possible to the edge. It's crucial not to rush, slowly but surely. This is our motto in this case, and for any repair too. Do not be afraid if the separation takes up to 20 minutes. And as soon as we feel that we can open it, we carefully look inside through the gap, notice the cable and connector's location, choose the angle and open the display module. Then gently lay the display on a flat surface so that cable does not stretch. Take a Phillips screwdriver crosshead 1.5 mm and unscrew the screw securing the connector. After that, we need to remove the bracket and disconnect the connector. It's better to use a non-metal or plastic tool because the smartphone is still powered.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy our new video format. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, put the like, check our website with a lot of pictures about repair, and take care of yourself.